Om Gram Greem Grom Sah Guruve Namaha.
Hello and welcome to Foresight India. In this video, we will be going to discuss one of the important transit of this year, that is Jupiter Moon enters into Capricorn on November of 20th, 2020. There are many unique and significant aspects of this transit which will have a profound impact on your general life as well as individual horoscope sign. One of the important thing is Saturn is already in Capricorn and Jupiter will join it. This Saturn and Jupiter combination happens only in 20 years. Jupiter is considered the largest and the most auspicious planet. The person having Jupiter in his or her horoscope is considered to be lucky, fortunate, religious and with high moral value. Jupiter is called Guru in Indian astrology. Jupiter rules by Sagittarius and Pisces. Guru travel one zodiac sign in 1 year span. Guru is friendly with Sun, Moon and Mars. Venus and Mercury had a rivalry with Jupiter and Jupiter is neutral with Saturn. Before moving ahead with the video, I would kindly request you to please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Let's see the Jupiter's transit predictions for all the 12 zodiac signs. Aries Ascendant. Here the Jupiter is transiting from 9th house to 10th house. You work very hard, but only proportionate results are indicated. As Jupiter is moving from 9th house to 10th house of karma, it will definitely create new working opportunities. You will invest in new avenues and you might need to travel for work-related things. You may establish new contacts and will gain through them. You may earn from more than one source. You may also acquire land, property or a vehicle now. Your domestic life will be quite comfortable. Taurus Ascendant. Here the Jupiter moves from 8th house to 9th house. This will be a very good transit because this movement is considered to be auspicious. Especially for Taurus, the transit is in very beneficial position. It is a time when luck is at our side. This will bring all-round success to you. For people who are in job, may be rewarded with a promotion in your profession. For people in business, the business will expand rapidly. You will feel specially inclined to undertake new ventures and schemes now. You may also acquire land or a vehicle and you will feel extremely fit physically. Birth of a child is also indicated in the family. Gemini Ascendant. Here the Jupiter transits from the 7th house to 8th house. This is the time to stay patient and curious. Don't take any unnecessary risks or adventurous decisions. This is the transit when you need to go to shell, learn new skill and prepare for more conducive environment. You may be separated from your family members and there is a strong chance of involvement in litigation. Your health may take a serious turn. Journeys undertaken by you may prove to be troublesome here. Let's discuss about the Cancer Ascendant. Jupiter transits from 6th house to 7th house here. The transit has a very good indication that you will be getting rid of your health issues. Your business will expand and new contacts will prove beneficial. You may also get into partnership deals. You may be rewarded with a promotion in your professional field. All your desires will be fulfilled. Frequent journeys are indicated and they will prove to be beneficial for you. Leo Ascendant. Jupiter moves from 5th house to 6th house here. As a result, you will feel extremely dejected and working conditions may deteriorate considerably. You will experience serious difference of opinions with your acquaintances that will lead to extreme tension. You will suffer from ill health and you may change your place of residence now. Your hard work may not bring the desired results you want. Virgo Ascendant. Jupiter transits from 4th house to 5th house here. You may undertake new ventures now. You may be rewarded with a promotion in your professional field. You will establish new contacts and will gain from them. Your business will expand and your income will increase moderately. Birth of a child in family is also indicated. Beneficial journeys are also indicated for you. Libra Ascendant. Here, the Jupiter transits from 3rd house to 4th house. As a result, your efforts will be rewarded. You will experience sudden gains and will also find yourself extremely popular. Change the place of your residence or job and it will prove beneficial for you. Acquisition of a vehicle may be a strong possibility for now. Your mother's health may deteriorate. Scorpio Ascendant. Here the Jupiter transits from 2nd house to 3rd house. You will have to make extra efforts so that your desires may fructify. Your working conditions may not remain favorable. Your brothers and elders will prove to be helpful for you. If you are unmarried, you may decide to get married now. Your brothers and elders will prove to be helpful for you. If you are unmarried, you may decide to get married now. Your spouse may not keep in good health. Sagittarius Ascendant. Here the Jupiter transits from 1st house to 2nd house. You may undertake new ventures and will expand your business, and if in service, your promotion is also indicated. Your income will increase considerably. An addition to the family is also indicated. You may get into partnership deals now. There may be also sudden gains indicated for you. You may also participate in domestic festive celebrations. Capricorn Ascendant. Here the Jupiter transits from 12th house to 1st house. As a result, you will manage to regain some of your shattered self-confidence and your hard work will pay dividends now. You will establish new contacts and will gain from them. Benefits are also indicated from an elderly person. Your children will be the source of your happiness to you. However, your health may not be satisfactory. Aquarius Ascendant. Here the Jupiter transits from 11th house to 12th house. You may have to incur heavy expenditure on some account. You may get involved in litigation. You may meet with an accident that may require hospitalization. Your weakening health and finances may be the cause of your mental tension. You may also go abroad to pursue a career. Pisces Ascendant. Here the Jupiter transits from 10th house to 11th house. As a result, all your desires will be fulfilled. General happiness is indicated for you. Your friends, brothers and associates will prove beneficial for you. You may also acquire a land or a vehicle. There may be a birth of a child in the family. If you would like to have in-depth knowledge about all these predictions, then kindly call us on the number that is being shown on the screen. Or you can also visit www.foresightIndia.com. Or you can also write us at social.foresightIndia@gmail.com.